Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I will be making vegetable soup. This is a Nigerian soup that can be paired with fufu or even white rice. If you want to see how I make this recipe, then let's get started. So to start, I will be adding some red vegetable oil in a pot and I will leave it to cook for some minutes, then add my diced onions. I will also add some locust beans and combine it together. Next, I'll be going in with my pepper mix. And this pepper mix is a blend of red bell peppers, onions, ginger, garlic, and some habanero peppers. I'm going to combine everything together and leave this to cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, season with bouillon powder, uziza powder, and some allspice. I didn't realize that my camera was not recording when I was seasoning the soup, but please don't skip that process. So I'm going in with some cooked meat, which I already had prepared ahead. I'm going in with goat meat, tripe, and some dry fish. Then I'm seasoning with some crayfish powder and a little bit more bouillon powder and very little salt. This soup is almost ready at this point. This is one of the most easiest soup that you can ever make. So next, I'm just going to go in with some washed spinach and I'm going to cook for 5 more minutes. Combine everything together and taste for salt. This soup can go with any type of fufu or white rice. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thank you for watching.